and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is about nature and specifically mountains. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with the hex codes on that particular title slide so you can practice with us. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. The first thing we will do is color the background. Right click, format background, choose the solid solid fill, color, eyedropper. We choose the color from the left side outside of the design area. In this title slide we will play with triangles. We go to insert, shapes, we choose from basic shapes isosceles triangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. Shape format, we go to shape format size height 9.3 cm. If you have inches in your settings, it's about 3.66 inches. And width 20 cm. And if you have inches in your settings, it's about 7.87. We put it in the desired position. Right click, copy, right click, paste. We go to shape format, rotate right, and again rotate right, and we put it up in the desired position. Then right click, copy, right click, paste. We rotate it. We go to height, we put 8, and width let's say 18. And let's see how to put it here. Then right click, copy, right click, paste. Shape format, rotate right, and again rotate right. We reduce the size and we put it in the desired position. And that's it. Then we click shift pressed click with shift pressed click, shift pressed click all the rectangles, and right click, we group them all. We group them. Right click, group. Then we want to insert an image inside the triangles. Insert, pictures, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert, click insert. Right click, cut, click the triangles, go to picture or texture fill, click clipboard, line, no line. And now we want to insert our title. We go to insert, click text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose from home ribbon Calibri, size 36, color white, and we write our title. Majestic Peaks, conquering the magnificence of mountains. Now we want to insert our presenter's name. We go to insert, click text box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose Calibri font from home ribbon and size 24, color white, and we write our presenter's name by Martha G. Santos. And we put it in the desired position. We want to insert a rectangle, insert shapes, we choose rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. Go to shape, fill white, shape outline, no outline. And that's it. Now that we are done designing the title slide, we will put animations. First we go to the image, entrance, animations, entrance, float in. Start with previews, duration 1, effect options, float up. We go to the title, entrance, float in again. Start after previews, duration 1, float up as one object. We go to the rectangle, entrance, float in again. Start with after previews, duration 1, effect options, float up. We go to the presenter's name, entrance, float in. Start after previews, duration 1, effect options, float up as one object. And then we go at the slideshow button to see the final result. And then we go at the slideshow button to see the final result. That's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!